Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. This is a place where we share extremely simple orchid care tips that deliver clear, noticeable results, perfect for beginners as well as those who have been growing orchids for many years. To give you more options in your orchid care routine, today I'm going to share a brand new organic fertilizer recipe. This formula is made from easy-to-find ingredients, is safe for orchids, and helps keep them healthy with thick green leaves, strong root development, and vibrant blooms all year round. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any helpful orchid care tips in the upcoming videos. And now, let's get started. Do you often eat oranges like these? Normally, after eating them, we tend to throw the peels away. But today I'm going to show you how to make use of orange peels to create an organic fertilizer for orchids. It's economical, safe, and surprisingly effective. Orange peels are rich in natural essential oils, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and trace minerals that are extremely beneficial for orchids. These nutrients help stimulate root development, boost the plant's resistance, reduce fungal diseases, and at the same time, make the leaves greener and thicker while supporting strong flowering with brighter, more vibrant colors. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After finely grating the orange peel so that the nutrients can be easily extracted into the water, next, put all the grated orange peel into a clean glass container. Then add about 500 milliliters of hot water. The hot water helps release the essential oils and nutrients in the orange peel more quickly and effectively. Finally, I seal the container tightly and let the solution steep for 1 day. After this time, we obtain a natural fertilizer solution made from orange peels, ready for the next steps in caring for orchids. After 1 day, once the orange peel solution has soaked long enough, I filter out all the orange peels and keep only the extracted liquid. At this point, the liquid contains the essential oils and natural nutrients from the orange peels, which are very beneficial for orchids. The next ingredient I use is honey. Honey acts as a natural activator, providing an easily absorbed source of biological sugars, while also nourishing and stimulating beneficial microorganisms to grow more vigorously in the growing medium. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the orange peel solution. Finally, I dilute the entire solution with 1 liter of clean water. Then stir well so the nutrients are fully blended and evenly distributed in the water. At this stage, we have a mild organic fertilizer solution that is safe for orchids. Method 1. Wiping the orchid leaves. First, I pour a portion of the fertilizer solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad or a clean, soft cloth to soak up the solution evenly. Next, I gently wipe all the orchid leaves, cleaning both the upper and lower surfaces. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-term buildup on the leaf surface, allowing the stomata to stay open. As a result, the plant can breathe and photosynthesize more effectively. When the leaves are clean, orchids absorb light better, producing more energy to support root growth, stems, and flowers. Not only does this clean the leaves, but the solution made from orange peels and honey also provides natural nutrients and trace elements that the leaves can absorb directly. This helps the leaves become greener, thicker, and naturally glossy, while also boosting resistance and reducing fungal issues on the leaf surface. When wiping, do it gently and avoid rubbing too hard, as this can scratch the leaves. Apply this method once a month, and your orchids will become noticeably healthier, grow more steadily, and be well prepared for the next stages of new root growth and flowering. Is method 2, misting the orchids. With the second method, I pour the diluted fertilizer solution into a spray bottle, then mist it evenly around the entire orchid plant. When spraying, use a fine mist and focus on both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, while also misting around the stem and the roots above the growing medium. This misting method allows orchids to absorb nutrients more quickly through the leaf surface. At the same time, the solution from orange peels and honey helps clean the leaves, boost resistance, and reduce fungal problems. The natural essential oils in orange peels help repel insects, while honey supports beneficial microorganisms, keeping the environment around the plant stable. You should spray in the early morning or late afternoon, and avoid spraying during strong, direct sunlight. After about 20 minutes, if you notice that fertilizer solution is still lingering on the leaf surfaces or in the leaf joints, use a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth to absorb and wipe away the excess liquid. This small but very important step helps keep the leaves dry and well ventilated, preventing prolonged moisture buildup. If the solution is left sitting for too long, it can become a favorable environment for fungi and bacteria to grow, which may cause problems such as leaf rot, leaf burn, crown rot, or gradual weakening of the orchid over time. By gently wiping at the right time, you help keep your orchids safer, healthier, and growing more steadily. Method 3. Finally, I use this solution to water the base of the orchids directly for the plants in my garden. Pour the diluted solution into a dedicated watering can, then gently water around the base, focusing on the growing medium where the roots are developing. When watering, apply just enough to moisten the medium, and avoid overwatering to prevent waterlogging and root rot. This method allows the nutrients from the orange peels and honey to gradually penetrate the growing medium, nourishing healthier roots, stimulating new root growth, and helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. You should apply this root watering method in the cool morning, about once every 2 to 3 weeks. When combined with proper care, your orchids will grow steadily and remain healthy. Results: orchids cared for using this method consistently maintain fresh green leaves, stay healthy, and grow very steadily. The root systems develop well, with new roots forming evenly and firmly attaching to the growing medium. Flower spikes appear throughout the year. The spikes grow long, thick, and strong, developing very evenly. Orchids that previously struggled to bloom also begin producing new flower spikes from the leaf axils. Especially for plants that are already in bloom, this care method helps the flowers last longer on the spike. More blooms open on a single spike, with brighter, more vibrant colors, keeping the orchid pots beautiful and full of life. Care for your orchids with passion and genuine love, and you will be rewarded with healthy plants, long and robust flower spikes, and vibrant blooms that open beautifully all year round. Now, let's admire these orchids that I have cared for entirely with organic fertilizer. Simple, safe, yet delivering very noticeable results. What do you think about this orchid care method? If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the latest orchid care tips.